Hi, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in today's video I'm going to go over 3 things that you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, most likely you're sitting there wondering, why is this guy doing this and what's in it for him? Well, the answer is quite simple. Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most business owners are just too busy running their company to learn how the internet can actually benefit their business. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they're not really sure who the experts are. I've also found that by giving people an easy free plan of things that they can do themselves to positively impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still putting their trust in me and saying, hey Craig, please help me with this. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeves and I'm good at digital marketing, then shoot me a message back and we can go from there. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take the free plan and steps and tools that I give you today and do it yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your or my time. So the first thing I'm going to talk about today is content. So I use a tool called SEO Quake. As you can see here, it's for free and you can see a lot about your website and other websites. So you simply just plug the URL in, and as we can see here, that was yours, and we're looking at about 569 words on this homepage of yours. Now, Google's actually released that their algorithms, when scrubbing, are looking from anywhere from 1,500 and more words to be fully optimized within Google. So you're coming about 1,000 words shy. Now, what's important about that is they don't only look at the content quantity, but they really look at the quality as well. And what I mean by that are these keywords. Now, when you type something into Google, for example, Fence Company Charleston, those algorithms go and scrub all of the pages on Google to look for those words and how many times they're referenced, as well as basically the context they're referenced in. So when you have more words, you can do more repeats or more uses of that words to be found. As we can see, you have fences 21 times, Charleston 12 times, fence 12 times. Now with 1,500 words, you're able to use it more times, but it also making sense in the context because it does look at that. So in Google, I just typed in what I said, Fence Company Charleston, and the number 1 organic listed is this Carolina Fence Company. So let's take a look at their website here. Nothing to write home about. And in SEO Quick, we can see they only actually have 900 words. Now, they're not at that 1,500 words, and their keywords aren't that strong. So it'd be easy to beat them out by just adding some more content and making it make sense. And the second thing I'm going to talk about is going to be in regards to the map pack. As we can see here, when we type something in, the map pack is what shows up, and it's these businesses in the map area. Now, number 1 is Charleston Fence LLC. Now, reviews play a big role, but what plays a big role as well is going to be your citations. As we can see here, they only have 16 citation sources. So what's a citation? Well, simply put, a citation is anywhere you put your NAPs, which is your name, address, phone number. These are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, CityStar, so on and so forth. Now you simply put those in word for word and get as many directories as you can, and those are citation sources. I always recommend to my clients 200 or more. That's going to just destroy your competition in this instance. Now the third thing and the most important thing to getting to this number 1 spot in the organic listing is going to be your backlinks. Now this is your website, and we can see that you have 0 backlinks, 0 referring domains, and you're only getting 65 clicks a month. Now, this is why you're not on the first page of Google, basically. What a backlink is, or link juice, is simply site A points to site B. Therefore, site A is giving link juice to site B. And in Google's eyes, this means more authority. It's pretty much a popularity contest. So if we look at your competition, they have 353 backlinks with 67 referring domains, and they're getting 384 clicks a month. As you can see, there's a big difference there. Now, there's more to it than that. Not only do you want to have a good quantity, but it goes back to like the content. You want to have good quality. You want link juice that's going to be relative to your website. For example, if you have a website about blog or fencing linking to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut because you don't sling pizzas for a living. So in conclusion, today we discussed 3 things. We discussed content and how you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on that homepage with good quality keywords. Secondly, we discussed citations and how you want to have 200 to 300 of those to destroy your competition. Thirdly, we discussed backlinks and link juice and how you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, you can take the information I provided you today and do it all on your own, which I'm totally cool with. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. Have a great day.